Alright, so I've got my selfie stick back, and I want to talk to you about drone footage because I think some of these drone shots are pretty cool, but I also think that you need to get a drone that doesn't leave you. Let me tell you the story of a drone that I bought. Harbor Freight's got this drone. I think it's like 50 or 60 bucks. But anyway, you see that line of trees back there? I was flying the drone. I was practicing it. Now, you're not supposed to, I don't think you're supposed to fly the drone on a windy day, but this one didn't have like the automatic come back to the location. And I didn't know what the hell I was doing. But I got it to hover and it was going like zzz, back and forth like this. And I did something and that sucker went way up there in the air and way back there into those trees. And I lost that bitch. I can't find it. I've been back there, and that was like a year, maybe 2 years ago when I did that. So, if you're a drone person, I watched this guy. Forgot he does a bunch of like tool videos, and he kind of and he kind of makes fun of uh, other videos, safety features and stuff. I think his name's FPV, but he used to fly drones. And some of the stuff that I saw on his early videos was, man, he was a pretty dang good pilot as far as I'm concerned. But I tell you what, I lost a $60 drone, and probably, I think I flew it twice. And it's over there somewhere, but I ain't found that bitch. It landed and just disappeared. So maybe I'll get another drone one of these days. What do you guys recommend? And I'm definitely going to have to watch some more videos because I'd hate to buy a $500 or $600 drone and lose it. So, are there any drone pilots out there that could recommend a good drone that shoots decent video? I mean, if it was the quality of this, which isn't the best, I'd be happy with that right now. But yeah, ain't nothing like watching $60 fly up in the air. I mean, I'd rather have bought fireworks. I would have rather have bought fireworks at the 4th of July. At least I'd have had a little pretty. But I just watched this white dot just disappeared. A gust of wind grabbed it, and it went down in the woods over there, and I haven't been able to find it. But that's just a drone story. So, talk to you later.